Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to find the best Wi-Fi channel for your router. So make sure you will be on your laptop device, and what gonna do, we will move in the left bottom corner is the option is search, and I will just tap on it and we will move in the Ethernet setting, and I will just tap on it simply. So now I will be just move in the right corner option is the change adapter options. I will just tap on it simply, and you will just select the Wi-Fi, and we will just tap on it these properties. So I will just tap on it this configure, and after you will be just tap on it advanced. So here you will see the wireless mode. So this is the channel route. You will just change it from here like 5GHz and 2.4 GHz. So you will be just selected from here, and you will just find the best channel for your router. You will just also select the dual band for your router. So I will be just recommended for this dual band is the best for your channel for your Wi-Fi. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.